Yo, what's up guys? It's the next day. It's like freaking 7 a.m. because my sleeping schedule's whack, but I installed the wheels yesterday. They look so sick, and I've been sitting on those and some seats for the Z for like 3 months now. So yeah, today we're gonna be swapping out these shitty cloth seats for some NRG PRISMA bucket seats. So I already assembled one of them in my basement so I could figure out how to do it first before I started filming. So the passenger side is done. So I'm gonna start taking out the passenger seat in the car and see how it all fits up before I start the driver's seat. So yeah, I'll show you guys the seats and then let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's gonna be the new seats. It's the NRG PRISMA in purple. I got the planted seat brackets, NRG sliders. I got the belt on, or the buckle, sorry. I took the old seat out already. Got a vacuum still. Sheesh. So yeah, after I vacuum, I'm gonna test fit the seats and yeah, hopefully they fit. I got the seat belt connected and I'm gonna connect it to here, obviously, so I don't get the seat belt light, and so that still works. And yeah. Yo, what's good guys? It's the next day. Excuse my hair, I just got out of the shower, but I got pissed off installing the seats, so I didn't finish the video, but they are in the car, fully installed. I was driving with them yesterday. They're super comfortable. They hug me nice and tight. This is the large inside the Z. It's the PRISMA. I went with planted seat brackets, and this one has NRG slider on it, but I didn't install the slider on the driver's side because I got lazy and it started to get a little bit annoying to mount them because they're universal sliders. But yeah, I'm the only person that drives this car anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's fixed in this spot, which is like perfect. I can reach the pedals like mint. So yeah, but today we're gonna revamp the interior even more because I've been sitting on so many parts because I haven't had my car all winter. So I ordered the only purple shift boot I could find that wasn't a stupid price was this one off eBay. It's like a fake bride material, but it's pretty dope. I'm gonna put that on. I already got the Nismo shift knob right now, so with the retainer. And then I got this fucking fake carbon trim that replaces the silver on the dash. Should look sick. But yeah, let's get to installing those too, and then I'll show you guys like an overview of the seats and like how they fit and everything, like all the angles and whatnot. So yeah, let's get to it. All right guys, so to get the shift boot in, I already pulled it, but you just pull the shifter trim back and it comes out. And then we're gonna take the shift knob off. It just twists. So here's the shift knob. We'll put that in there for now. Shift boot retainer. And then this all should come out. So then you see that plug at the back? We're gonna unplug that. I'll try and sit you guys down. Where's the clip? I think you just push that. Yeah, there we go. So now we got it all out. And I'll probably just bring this inside because it's easier to work inside. We're gonna take those Phillips off and slip this boot in. So yeah. Also gonna put this on. It just sticks on, so I don't really think I have to show you guys how to do it or anything. But I'll show you what it looks like when this is carbon. Or sticker carbon. Oh yeah. It's hard to see, but peep the Kakashi. Shout out anybody that watches Naruto. Got my trusty pain sticker back there. Alright, so this is the seats. It's hard to see without any sun or anything, but here, let me grab my phone and see if that works. The back's like glitter. So sick. It's crazy from the back. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking out all the screws to get the shift boot out, and then we'll go to putting this big guy in. Alright, so all the screws are out. I didn't bother filming it because it's literally just basic screws with a Phillips head. So you take that off, and you can take the shift boot out. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna try and make all the holes in the new one, or if I'm just gonna wedge it in there and close it. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys, I guess. Alright guys, so all I did was line up all the screw holes on the back and then use like a little screwdriver to poke some holes through the fabric, and then put the screws up to line them up, and then I'm gonna screw this piece back on and just tuck all the excess like material on the bottom under that, so it's not noticeable. And you won't be able to see anything under here anyways, because it'll be under the shifter trim. So alright, so I got all the screws through, and then I'm gonna adjust this so it doesn't look so weird, and then put it in the car. Okay, ignore the last clip. I forgot that the shift boot goes in between these two pieces, so this is how it actually is now. And I just gotta fix that. And yeah, I took the little retainer at the top off because it didn't fit. But yeah, after I fix this, it should look pretty mint. Purple seat. Hopping. Got the carbon trim. Alright guys, so that's going to be the install for everything in the interior. I got the carbon trim all done. It's pretty hard to see because the sun's facing the opposite way. Got the carbon trim there. And on that, got the shift boot in. I forgot to mention, to put it back in, it was pretty much the same. You just tuck all the material under here, plug the sensor back in, or the 4-way connector, and then just tap each side down after you tucked it into there, and it's all in. I have the retainer for the Nismo shifter that it came with, so it looks so good. For an eBay boot, I think it was like 12 bucks. Kind of hard to beat it. And here's the seat. Oh, get that off. I didn't use that carbon piece. It goes around here. It's already black, so I figured it looks fine. So yeah, that's going to conclude this install for the seats and the interior stuff. Make sure to keep a lookout for the wheel video if I didn't post that before. But I got more installs coming. I still have parts that I haven't got, and I have parts in my room that I still haven't installed. And then we're gonna check out the homies' cars. And yeah, I'll try and post like at least once a week. We'll see how that works. But it's lockdown, so I got plenty of time other than work. Oh yeah, I also installed this. The Surikawa, or however you say it in Japanese. Yeah, I'll try and show you from this side. Probably be easier. It's like the Japanese train handle or whatever. This is super hard to see, but that's the Broadway mirror from Random Archives. But yeah, stay tuned and peace out.